square root 2 is not a rational number. We know that rational numbers is all the e by b when e is an integer and b is a non-zero natural number. We know this. So we'll do it by absurd. If we suppose that root square 2 is in fact in Q, we will get that will mean that there exist two natural numbers such that root square 2 square root 2 equals e over b, with b non-zero number and e also non-zero because it's equal to non-zero quantity, with also the precision that GCD of them will be equals 1. Why? You can always simplify until you get this. So this will imply that e equals square root 2 multiplied by b, and by squaring we get e squared equals 2b squared. And from this equality, 2 is always a divisor of e squared. This implies that 2 is a divisor of e squared. And since 2 is a prime number, and we know that if a prime number divides a product, it must divide one of the terms. And here we have just e times e. So 2 divides a times e, we get that 2 divides is a divisor of e. And from this, we can write that e is equal to 2 times some k, with k natural number. E equals 2 times k, since 2 is a divisor of e. Now we take this equality and we put it here. What we will get, we replace a by 2k. We will get 2k squared equals 2b squared. And here, by simple rules of powers, we get 4k squared equals 2b squared. And by simplifying by 2, we'll have 2k squared equals b squared. And this also means that 2 is a divisor of b squared. And the same reason in here, 2 divides, which is prime, divides b2. That implies that 2 must divide the number b. And here we see that 2 is a divisor of e and 2 is a divisor of b. This is absurd because we supposed that GCD of AB equals 1. This thing that we get is just absurd. It can't be that GCD of AB equals 1 and at the same time 2 is a divisor of A and B. Because every divisor of the two numbers, we know by number theory that this divisor will divide to GCD. Since it divides to two numbers, it must divide the GCD, and we will have 2 divides 1, which is absurd. Simply, it's absurd. So we get to the conclusion that root square 2 is not irrational number.